Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Roku remote control. Your Roku, if it's freezing, laggy, or you're having any kinds of problems when you're pressing the buttons, or if it just tends to be a little laggy, the first thing you want to do is just press your home button, okay? Once you get to this screen here, just watch these simple combinations. You're going to press the home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arrow button up. Rewind button 2 times. 1, 2. Fast forward 2 times. It'll just go right to this screen here, and you'll notice you're pressing your buttons, nothing's going to happen. What it's doing is going into reboot mode. It's going to clear all those cookies and those issues that it's having, and just do this is not a factory reset, it's just a reboot. It's not, you're not going to be deleting any of your programs. Now it's going into reboot mode. It's going to fire right back up. Right back to the home, and everything works perfect. Well, I hope this video helped you.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.